She's checking battery. One battery was not installed properly. Okay. Now she is placing currently properly the battery. Now torch is lighted because the battery was not placed properly. Okay, positive terminal was in same place. Okay, that's why. So now she knows all these things because she had learned these things in the class. Okay, so now now you also guys know that how these things are working. Okay, so when you have any problems regarding to the batteries, okay, you can also solve this problem at your home.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Your voice is not coming clear.
my voice is not clear.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
It
maybe
is
I
cut.
think so.
It is cutting.
Okay. Maybe having some network issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it's okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, now she is saying that how the torch is working. This torch is working.
Ma'am, still your voice is not coming.
Okay, maybe I'm having some network issues regarding to the it. Okay, or I think so. You guys are having network issues. I'm having perfect now. I think so. Maybe there are some. Okay, it will be okay in just few minutes. Okay. Uh, now she's saying that bulb how this torch is working. As I explained you that how torch is working, where it is getting electricity. Okay, so now you are about to learn about electric cell. Okay. She said that the torch is working with the help of electric cell. So now she is thinking that where the current is coming from and all. Okay, all appliances are working. Bulb is working, hair dryer are working, iron is working. But where is light is working from? Where is this light is coming? Electricity is coming from? She had some questions. Okay, so when teacher came, she was asking to the teacher. Now the teacher is showing the experiment. Now she is saying to check the bulb thoroughly because if bulb is okay, then everything will be okay. Okay, that's why she is saying that to check the bulb. This here it is called as fiber. Okay, here the bulb is made up of glass. Okay, and now the thin wire which is showing here. Okay, here it is known as filament. Okay, it is known as fiber as well. You can say it fiber, you can say it filament. Okay, but in our textbook it is given as filament. So we will known as filament. This thin wire in between the bulb. As I shown you that the bottom of, as I told you that bottom of the bulb is made up of metal and the top part is made up of glass. Okay, so now the metal is in round shape. Okay, so as it is showing over here that bulb is also having two terminals. Okay, this is positive terminals and one is negative terminals. Now they are doing the experiment activity number 2, which I have shown, sorry, activity number 4, which I have shown you that how to turn the bulb with the help of batteries. Okay, in activity 4, we had explained, I had explained you, and you all guys were there when I have explained you. Now it is with the help of battery, they are producing the electricity and they will light the bulb. Now teacher had said that with the help of rubber band, batteries, bulb, and wire, you light the bulb. Okay. So now they are trying to light the bulb. Is removing the plastic at the end of the wire. Now she's fixing the rubber. Okay, so she can fix the wire. Now she's now she's placing the wires and the bulb. When she just attached only one wire, the bulb was not glowing as it was only one terminal connected. So the bulb will not glow. Now she is connected positive to positive. Okay, now she is connecting the positive terminals with the to the positive terminals of the bulb and negative terminals of a cell to the negative terminal of the bulb. Then bulb glows. Now she is reversing. What will happen? Now she is reversing. She is trying to connect the positive side of the positive terminal of the cell with the negative terminal of the bulb and the negative terminal of the cell with the positive terminal of the bulb. Now, even doing this positive to negative and negative to positive bulb has glowed. Okay, so the basic idea is to connect the terminals properly with the batteries. Okay, so the bulb will glow. Now the boys was asking because his bulb was not glowing. Okay, so teacher asked Sunaina, this girl, to how you had connected. So she said that I had connected bulb minus sign to plus sign and plus sign to minus sign. As as the arrangement is done properly, okay, so wires, bulbs and electric cells are connected properly, okay, so the bulb will glow. There should be a proper arrangement, okay, when these all are arranged properly, the bulb will glow automatically. Okay, so when okay, yeah, this arrangement, okay, this type of arrangement where both terminals and power, okay, so when everything is connected properly and electric power will flow, okay, so this type of arrangement is known as circuit, okay. So we were studied about circuit lots of time in this chapter, okay, so let me just say you what is circuit, okay. Now, so this arrangement, when the wires are connected properly, when wires are arranged properly with terminals to terminals, okay, then the electric will flow, electric current will pass, okay, so this arrangement is known as electric circuit. Now look, with this black line the electric current is flowing. Now, electricity is generated with the electric cell and electric current flow through the electric circuit. As you know that these three sentences are important. Okay, we had learned these three sentences from this video. Okay, so electric cell is generating electricity. Okay, there is a chemical in the electric cell, so it is helping to producing electricity. Now, electric current flow through electric circuit. As you all know that electric current is producing with the help of electric circuit through which electric device is operated. Now, with the help of electricity, all devices are being operated. Now, let me show you one more. Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
Sorry?
No, ma'am.
What is wrong with it today? Now, okay? Now can you see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, now, now we are seeing same about electric circuits. Okay, in different manner. So I want you to understand electric circuit properly. Okay, that's why I'm showing it with the different ways. Okay, so you can get proper idea about electric circuit. It is having some electric power inside. Now, one of the middle is called the filament. Okay, so two wires are supporting with each other. Okay, so now these two wires are connected to the terminals of the bulb. One is connected with the positive and one is connected with the negative terminals of the bulb. Now they are taking two wires. Okay, and they are removing the ends. Okay, they are connected with the this type of okay with the holders. Okay, but we don't have this type of holder, so we can just connect our bulb with the as we had seen in our book and we had seen our in our last video. Okay, so you can do it like this also. Okay, if you don't have these things, it's okay. You just have to connect the wires properly with the help of rubber band and uh, bulb. This is because lights, the bulbs, the lights are because it is getting the electricity. Now it is known as closed circuit when it is coming and going electric power. Okay, so now you just took one side of the bulb, one side of the wire. So now what happened? It is the bulb is not glowing. So the current because the current is not flowing properly. Now, when there is when the both wires are connected and bulbs are working, it is known as closed circuit. When one of the wire has taken, okay, so it is known as open circuit. As, as I have shown you, switch helps to break or connect the circuit, as we had learned just yesterday only in our lecture. Because switch is helping, as we had learned in torch as well, how switch is working. Okay, so same process is there, but little bit complicated. Okay, so when switch is on, it is getting proper electricity. The terminals are connected, so it is on. Okay, when you put on the switch, when you off the switch, what will happen? It will break the connection. So the bulb will close. When it is off, the bulb, the electric current cannot be able to flow it in the circuit. So the bulb is not light. When you put on the switch, the bulb get lighted because the current is flowing in a circuit.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to do this experiment.
No, you don't have to see do the experiment, but there is some experiments in book. Okay, so fair book you have to draw it. Okay, and I will share these videos with you as well, so you can see with the how many times you want to see, and how you can understand it properly. Okay, and with here you can not hear the voice, but when I share it, when I share with you, you can be able to hear the voice, so you can get proper idea about it. Sorry. Now we have seen first part of this video, okay, about the circuit. Now we are up to second part of the this chapter. As you know that this girl has finished the experiment of lighting the bulb. Now what she is doing? Let us uh, get more knowledge about it. When she reached home, she washed her hand and eat some food, and then she is talking with the parents. Now she is talking about the electric circuit. Now the brother is asking what is electric circuit. Now she is doing the same experiment in home. She is teaching his her brother. Now he is asking about how to off the bulb. So she said that when we just take out one terminal, it will close. But then he is asking that this is too hectic method. Okay, so she will say how to. She will introduce the switch now. Now she's asking that we are not removing our bulb in house when we want to close. Okay, so now he is saying about the switch. Now she is making some switches. Now That is helping. Okay, so that is saying that we'll make a switch. Okay, so now he has cutted a wire in the middle. Now he'll put buttons to make a switch. Okay, the bulb has stopped working because the wire has cut it from between. Now, now he had done this experiment. Okay, he has put a key in between as a switch. He has attached one piece of wire and he will attach one more piece of wire here. Now she is connecting wires with the key. Now, the boy is asking about why you just put the switch only. Why there was other material, many other material. Why you didn't put as a switch other material? Okay, so now mom is explaining why. Now they are adding different things and checking. Now they are okay chalk. Now they are using rubber, iron nail, chalk, piece of cloth, and piece of glass. Now they are putting iron nail. Now while using iron nail, bulb is turned on. Now with eraser, the bulb is not lighting. With the close bulb is not connected. Now they are connected with a silver spoon, okay, chandi spoon. Bulb is lighted because good conductor of light. There is oh mistake. Okay, green here is bulb lighted, okay. Because Because why in some materials the light bulb has lighted because it is a conductor of electricity. It is helping to flow the electricity. So it is a good conductor. And some are the insulator like eraser and piece of cloth are insulated. So the bulb was not lighting. Okay, so when you put insulator the bulb will not light and when you put the conductors it will light because the electricity will flow and make a circuit. Okay, so the bulb will light when you put key, nail or any metal in between because it is a conductor, it is helping a light to pass on. And now look, she is saying that electric conductors are the material that do not stop the flow the electricity. Rather, this substance make flow of electricity easily. That's why the electric wires are made up of these metals. So electricity can pass it thoroughly. And it is covered with the insulator. So it is easy, it is safe to touch by the human being. When they touch it, they don't feel electric shock. Okay, so now I hope that you have get enough ideas regarding electricity and how this is working, electric cell, bulbs and all. Okay, so I'll share this two, no, sorry, three. Okay, three videos. Okay, with you in our group, so you can get a proper idea when you see it again. ओके जो ओके ओके सी अगेन ओके जिसको अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स रहेगा तो मुझसे कॉल करके या मुझसे मैसेज करके पूछ लेगा ओके सो our time has been finished so I can move now okay so take care and have a nice day bye
Okay,
bye
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
if you have any kind of doubt you can just message me okay
Okay, ma'am.